How to delete Facebook from iPhone. If you no longer want to go on Facebook, social media, you can remove it from your iPhone. Here's how. First, let's go back to your home screen, then swipe across and find the Facebook app on the home screen. Now, if you can't find it on the home screen, go all the way to your library, so swipe across and go into your app library. At the top, you can type in Facebook. So here it is. So type on that and then touch and hold. Then tap on delete app. Now, if you have the link on the home screen, you can touch and hold on it. So if there's an app icon, just touch and hold. Then tap on remove app. And then tap on delete app. Now do not select remove from home screen because that will still leave Facebook in your app library. So tap on delete app to permanently remove it from your iPhone. Then tap on delete and that's it. It is now completely removed from your iPhone. Now you are just deleting the app from the iPhone, but your Facebook account is still available and active. If you want to remove the account as well, you need to delete the account first before deleting the Facebook app. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.